How to delete a member in Life360 mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app and then click on this settings widget. Next, go circle management. But before all of this, choose the right circle. Don't forget to choose the right circle. I got only one, but if you have like multiple circles, just select between them and then go to circle management. Okay, and now we can delete circle members. Click on it, select the member like this, and in the corner you will see delete. Click on it and confirm with yes. I'm going to show you one more time real quick. So first select the circle, then go on settings, circle management, delete circle members, select your member and click here on delete and simply confirm with yes. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you later. Bye bye.